I'm going to be coloring up these super adorable little cuties from the Bunny in Blooms bundle. So this is from our new quarterly release. It's not part of any of our subscriptions. You can purchase this on the website. It's a whole bundle. It comes with this adorable Bloom with Joy 4x6 stamp set. It also comes with this Bunnies in Bloom 6x6 paper pad, the Bunnies in Bloom ephemera pack, and then the Bunny Blush sparkling enamel dots. So let's go ahead and color up these cuties. I created these really super cute treat bags. I'm going to use the stamped images to create the last two. I used the ephemera for this one, and I stamped out the Hello Spring from the stamp set using Lynn's Ultimate Sentiment Strip banner. Topped all of these off with some sparkling enamel dots. This is the Bunny Blush collection. Here's another one. I think these turned out super cute. Added some Jordan almonds in my baggie there. I just love it. And in the back, you know, you could see the pattern paper. And I thought on the back you could put a little handmade by stamp or sticker on the back. So we're going to decorate the last two using the stamp set. So I'm going to color this one to match this and the one with the carrot to match that one.
Sunshine coming through the window, colors on my desk, paper petals, pastel skies, oh I'm feeling blessed. Scissors dancing, ink pads ready, florals everywhere, little bunnies hopping in, springtime in the air. Oh, it's finally here, the moment we've been waiting for. Spring starts here. Right now, 2 new bundles take a bow, layer it up, let it shine. This sweet season's yours and mine. From soft blooms to joyful things, faith and blessings tucked in spring. Cut, stamp, smile, create. Love is what we celebrate. Oh, spring starts here. Gingham lines and butterflies mix and match with ease. Everything just works together, crafting harmony. One is sweet and full of charm, playful, light and bright. One feels calm and full of heart, peaceful crafting nights. Every piece designed to make your creativity soar. Spring starts here. Right now, 2 new bundles take a bow, layer it up, let it shine. This sweet season's yours and mine. From soft blooms to joyful things, faith and blessings tucked in spring. Cut, stamp, smile, create. Love is what we celebrate. Oh, spring starts here. Snip, snip, press it down, add a little enamel crown. Tie that bow, blend that sky, send a little joy nearby. It's more than paper, more than glue. It's the love we're sending through. Spring starts here right now. Hearts and hands are
so let's put this together now. I have a scallop circle with a circle with stitching, so we're gonna layer that up. I colored up 2 eggs off camera. I want this in the center. We'll have our little bunny to the side. And then let's pop up these images here. I have my hot glue gun plugged in so I could glue on my seam binding. And then I'm gonna have my bow down here. Okay, while my heat gun is going, I'm gonna glue these straight down. I'm not popping this one up. I'm not gonna put glue on the bunny's ears because those are gonna hang over the top. My bow will go right there. We're gonna add some enamel dots. I think this blush pink would be really pretty. Let's do the blush pink over here as well. I want to bring a little bit of the pink to the top here. I'm just going to add 2. Okay, I think our bows are ready. I'm just going to add a little hot glue under here. And we're just going to smoosh that right under there. And then for this one, we'll add it right under here. And now we can fill it with treats. You know what? Since I have my hot glue gun out and these were on my desk, I have some buttons that will match. So let's see. Maybe I will add a little button or something. Okay, so I have them filled with some candy. Didn't they turn out so cute? So I think those are really cute. Just a cute little gift. And there's my Happy Easter one. So those 2 are with the stamp set, and then this one is with the ephemera. And they're all using the same paper pad. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little project. The link to this bundle is down below. We do have another bundle that released. So if you love something more faith-based, the other bundle is perfect for you. Check it out on the website. Thanks so much for shopping, guys. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.